Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Facebook ads account permanently. In Meta's tools, this action is labeled as deactivating an ad account. Functionally, it closes the account so no new ads can run, billing stops after any remaining charges are settled, and the account is no longer usable for campaigns. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with a profile that has admin access to the business and the ad account you want to close. It's also a good idea to pause any active campaigns and be aware that outstanding balances may need to be paid. Start by opening your browser and going to Meta Business Suite at businessfacebook.com. Once the dashboard loads, look to the top left area where you can choose which asset you're managing. Click that selector and pick the page or business associated with the ad account you want to close. This ensures you're working in the correct place, especially if you manage multiple businesses or pages. Next, find the small settings gear icon. It typically appears in the left navigation panel. Click it to open the settings area for your business. Inside settings, locate the ad accounts section in the left sidebar and select it. You should now see a list of ad accounts connected to this business. Click the specific ad account you intend to close and confirm you've selected the right one by reviewing its name and details. With the correct ad account open, look to the top right corner of the page and click Deactivate. Meta may display a brief explanation of what deactivation means, and you might be asked to select a reason or acknowledge any pending charges. Review the information carefully so you know what will happen next. A confirmation window will appear. Click Deactivate to proceed. You may see one final prompt asking you to confirm the action again. Click Deactivate Account to complete the process. After a few moments, the account status should update to reflect that it's deactivated. Once the account is closed, ads will stop running, no new campaigns can be created under that account, and billing will conclude after any final charges are processed. Historical reporting data may remain available for reference within your business tools. If you don't see the deactivate option, you likely don't have the required permissions, so check with your business admin. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deactivated your Facebook ad account, effectively closing it so it can no longer be used for advertising.